Hi, my name is Joanna Fallon. I'm a graphic designer, and Design Cuts have asked me to help them with a new feature that they want to do, which is an unboxing video for their digital products. The idea is that every week they're going to send me a download link to their latest digital product. I've got absolutely no idea what's going to be included. I'm really excited. It's also quite a little nervous because I don't know, it could be fonts, it could be textures, it could be brushes, I have no idea, so I must do some quick thinking, but hopefully it'll be quite a bit of fun. So let's see what's included. Pencils Garden. Oh, this looks good. I'm definitely a fan of like authentic textures for digital drawing, so this is brilliant. God, there's loads. Okay, I've opened up Photoshop and I've loaded the brush presets as well, and I'm impressed with how many there are. There's loads of stuff here. I guess what I'll start to try and do is draw a little face. I'm impressed with how authentic these are actually. These are lovely to work with. I'm really liking this. Oh yeah, and the difference in pressure as well, that's really cool. This is a lot of fun. I like this. Right, let's try a different brush to do some of the little areas. So, oh yeah, so that's a much more sensitive to the brush pressure. So, some really nice gentle shading there. Having so much fun. I like this charcoal texture. That's lovely. That's be really good just for quick kind of sketching practice as well. Excellent. Oh, I could play with these for hours, but for the sake of this video, I think I'm going to stop it there. But this looks, yeah. Oh, this is brilliant. Really good for kind of quick sketching and doing drafts, and I think just practicing drawing with a tablet as well to get really nice, authentic textures is really good. Oh, brilliant. That is a really fantastic product, I think. It's a good start. This is a really strong product to start with. I'm going to give the product quality 5 out of 5. There are loads of brushes and they're all really authentic and I thought made really, really well. Ease of use, I'm going to give 4 rather than 5 because mainly I think you do need to have a tablet of some description to get the most out of this product. Value for money, as with all Design Cuts products, I think it's really good value. You get a lot of quite high quality resources for what you pay. And the fun factor, I'm going to give 5 out of 5 because I personally love drawing, and having a load of digital pencils to play with on my computer is very appealing and exciting. Overall, I'm going to give this 4 out of 5. It was a really strong start, and like I said, lots of really good quality, authentic textures, and I was really impressed. So I hope you have a lot of fun with it too.